Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making ground beef kebabs. So let's get started. I have half a pound of ground beef and a quarter cup of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon dried chili flakes, a quarter cup of fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of diced fresh mint. And now you want to mix everything up together and get nice flavors everywhere and in every bite. So let's turn on our oven for 400 Fahrenheit. I'm preparing my baking pan here, my baking sheet with Pam with the cooking spray. So the way to do this is I use my hands actually for this. So I had to put it in a bowl first, and then I put on the stick and then just formed the meat to the stick, and then I added some more just to fill the stick in. And you want to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of baking this, you want to turn the skewers, flip it on the other side, and then we'll put it back in for about 15 minutes again. And this is it. After 15 minutes later, it was super delicious, super easy to make, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my video. And thank you for watching.